Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily factory reset your iPhone 7 to its default settings. So by the end of this video, all of your data on your iPhone will be completely erased. Your iPhone will be just like as it was when you bought it from Apple, or maybe you bought it from eBay. It will essentially be on the setup page. If you want to sell your phone, you definitely need to factory reset your iPhone 7 so all of your data is erased, so some random person can't connect your phone to a computer and then suddenly access all your photos. And if you want to do that, then let's get started. So first things first, we just want to open up the settings application, and then we want to find general. Then we're going to scroll down, and at the very bottom here you see reset, and then you see right here erase all content and settings. We're going to tap on this, but before you do that, don't forget to back up your data. There's two ways to do this. You can back it up if you have connected your phone with an iCloud account. You just sign into your iCloud account. There will be an iCloud backup option. Just tap on backup now. Or if you have a Windows or Mac computer, on Mac, you can connect your phone to the Mac, open up the Finder application, back up your phone through Finder, or you can use iTunes on Windows. I recommend you back up your phone to the computer, because on iCloud, if you don't have more than 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage, then most likely not all of your data will be backed up in the iCloud backup. Therefore, you will lose some data if you use the iCloud backup. With the computer, all of your data will be backed up for free as long as your computer has enough storage. Most likely it does. So what we're going to do is, once we have our data backed up, just go to general again, reset, and erase all content and settings. Now it's going to say this will delete all media and data. Erase iPhone, we'll just tap on that, erase. And now the process of factory resetting our iPhone will begin. Now you don't need to worry about monitoring your phone. Just make sure if it was on a low battery percentage, it is plugged in to a charger. Otherwise there might be some issues and the factory reset might fail. My iPhone 7 was a battery percentage of more than 50, so I'm not concerned of my device dying. However, if your phone's at like 5% battery health or something like that, just make sure you have that plugged in just in case. There also might be a chance that you are asked to enter in your Apple ID password. This is the case if you have connected your iPhone to iCloud. This is just used to prevent the Find My iPhone activation lock from showing up when you set up your phone. If you do not entering these details, you will not be able to factory reset your phone via settings. You will have to use a computer. However, keep in mind, if you do use the computer to factory reset your iPhone, you will be prompted to enter in your Apple ID username or password. And honestly, if you're selling your phone and you don't remove that login, then most eBay users will call you a scam. So make sure you just factory reset your phone inside the settings. Make sure you do type in the Apple ID username or password. Otherwise, if you want to go out of your way to use the computer, you might upset an eBay customer. And yeah, so this will just take a couple of minutes. You can tell I'll only be recording for about 3 minutes. And once this is done, we should see the hello screen. And all of our data will be completely wiped. So if I was to set up this phone again, I'd be brought to the home screen. However, I wouldn't have any photos available. I wouldn't have any settings available. So no Wi-Fi networks will be saved. The only way Wi-Fi networks would be saved is if you were to restore the iCloud backup onto your device. So you can see we're brought to the hello screen, and I'm prompted to